You're quick though. You have to do it quickly. Close. You wait.
Oh, he's coming.
Is he coming?
Oh, no. Oh, he's coming. Oh,
yeah,
he's
he almost came in for that one.
Oh!
We got it. We got it. No.
Oh my God, what do we do with him? What do we do with him?
Oh. Look, he's like, give me more.
He's like, I see you in there.
Look, touch his feet. They're all veiny.
What are we doing with him?
He's supposed to hang out. I don't know. Okay.
Do you think that's the same one from before? Do you think he's realized?
I don't know. Micah's son, look up. Wow.
Look at all those chickens.
Do we own him now?
Like, what if we start driving? Oh, he was just cold.
He's stomped there. Oh, he packed. He's like, please, more fry.
Wait, business is closed.
If he's gone after that.